Narendra Modi continues to grab all headlines, and why not? He led NDA to a spectacular victory, and now Team Modi has promises to keep. Expectations are running high, and the BJP believes that its leader is ready to live up to them. With a nation that is fed up with a corruption-ridden government, will Narendra Modi be able to fulfill his promises?
Even as Narendra Modi gears up for the challenges of running India, the BJP believes its leader is ready to live up to the high expectations.
Narendra Modi has given him a lot of time to intellectual preparation for this job. He has ideas, and he knows that now those ideas have to be have to be converted into work, have to be converted into solutions.
On the economic front, Modi will have to hit the ground running, as coupled with high inflation is the burden of low growth.
I think they are narrating a good economy. They are narrating an economy which is already on the upward. It's bottomed out completely. But the BJP will have to deliver on its promise because, I think they made it appear very easy when they went on a campaign.
Expectation number one right now, I am told, leading by far on the Times Now poll, is the expectation that Narendra Modi will bring down prices.
But for Modi, it's not just the immediate economic issues. Across India, a young population is hungry for jobs, a generation that's fed up with corruption, and even the internal security remains a concern.
As far as I'm concerned, two important things. One is the employment as well as inflation. These are the two things which can really take care of the middle class and the poor people.
Modi should have a strong internal security system.
Modi too is aware of his promises.
पद के लिए नहीं, सवा करोड़ देशवासियों की आशा आकांक्षाओं को हम समेट करके बैठे हैं।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, टाइम्स नाउ।